So, good morning and welcome back. Baro, Kishana.
Hello
So,
guys.
so we are going on a spiritual adventure to 6 Jyotirlingas and few more temples. We are going in our car, doing the puja. My mom's coming, my dad's not coming. He has some work. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪಾರು ಬರತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಪಪ್ಪ ಈಗೂ ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕಾರ್ನಾಗ ಜಾಗ ಐತೆ ನೋಡು ಹಾಂ ಅಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು 2 ನಿಮಿಷನಾಗ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಇಡ್ತಾಳೆ ನೋಡು he's got some work. We are here in Mahalakshmi temple. It is believed that this is built by Chalukyas in 600 CE, and it has been. The story is too big to explain. It is one of the Shakti Peethas in India. According to our Puranas and according to our Hindu religion, this Shakti Peetha is one of the main Shakti Peethas. You have to visit. It is done as 3 pilgrims: Tirumala temple, Lakshmi temple, and Padmavati temple. It is done as a pilgrimage where if you visit all 3 of the temples, it is said that you will achieve moksha. So my mom and my brother is in. I'm just waiting. This temple is also called as Ambabai temple in Marathi. Look at the architecture. It is so simple yet it is so beautiful. Inside the temple it was fantastic. Chalukyas and their art is of next level. We have seen Halebelu and all in Karnataka. This is one of the temple which they built here. The Chalukyas used to rule between 6th to 13th century, mostly in south and in the middle of India. So this is the line through which if we had went from this, it would have taken at no less than 3 to 4 hours. We got some links and it was easy for us to get inside, and it was done in half an hour probably. So what you can do is you can park your car somewhere over here. Just remember this place, park your car or bike over here and walk. It's just 10 minutes of walk from here. Talk to any security guy, give him some money, so he'll just leave you in and you can have the darshan very quickly. Look who we met. The guy from Manchester to Pune. कैसे हो?
मस्त ब्रो तू ऐसा.
अरे भाई तू आजा जल्दी जल्दी घूमेंगे. एक ब्लैक पुल किया, वो भी फालतू में गया. उसके बाद कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. लंदन अच्छा हुआ.
London was good.
But after that कुछ नहीं हुआ.
Yeah.
तो कब आ रहा?
We'll plan soon bro. December में भी जॉब लग जाए भाई. उसके बाद तो जल्दी. So good morning from wherever we are. The time is 5:43.
ನಿದ್ದೆ ಆತನು?
ನಿದ್ದೆ ಹತ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ಆಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇವ ಏನು ಮೊಕ್ಕೋತಾನೆ ಸುಖ ಪುರುಷ ಕಿಶಾನ್ ನೀನು.
So they asked us to leave as quick as possible, at least by 5:30. Late by 15 minutes, but anyways, it's fine. We'll leave now. It's 7:01. We reached Bhima Shankar around 6:45. It just took 1 hour of drive from the place where we stayed. So, what do you mean by Jyotirlinga is nothing but Jyotirlinga are the places where the Hindus we believe that Shiva he himself came to earth to defend against Rakshasas and he killed them and then he stayed back here. So that is what Jyotirlinga means. There are 12 Jyotirlingas in India. Each Jyotirlinga has its own significance. So we are in the Jyotirlinga called as Bhima Shankar. So Bhima Shankar is the 6th Jyotirling in India. There are 12 Jyotirlings. The first is Somnath. The Bhima Shankar is the 6th one. Bhima Shankar is mentioned in Shiva Puran, which is one of the Purans of Hindu scriptures. The temple was built somewhere around 6th, 7th century. So we parked the car 1 kilometer behind and we are walking down. There are 200 steps which we have to get down and 200 steps back. So it is almost 400 steps up and down. What is the reason Shiva came over here? To answer the question, it is believed that it is said in the Puranas that when Rama killed Ravana's brother, who is Kumbhakarna, his son was born after his death. His name was Bhima. He came to know about his father's death from his mother, and later he did tapas, he did prayers to the god several years. He got a boon which said he can conquer the world. So he started a war against the gods and he did it. He did massacres. He did not allow anyone to do pujas also. So later, when it was out of hand for the gods, everyone requested Shiva to come to the earth and kill him. So that is how Shiva came to earth to kill Bhima, and after killing Bhima, all the gods requested Shiva to stay back in this place. Bhima is the name of the demon and Shankar is the name of Lord Shiva. So it is Bhima Shankar, and that is the reason and that is the way how Shiva came to the earth, to this place. This is Sarva Tirtha Kunda. This is Bhima Shankar Shivling. It is also called as Moteshwara because the Shivling is too big. So the darshan happened just in 10 minutes. The darshan went really well. It literally did not take even 10 minutes, 15-20 minutes, but we wasted some time to get some pictures and stuff. So what you can do is, to get the VIP darshan, just walk down all the way. So from here, if you come this side and go into that gate. So the people over here, they ask you money, which is what we paid. We paid 600 rupees, but you can directly go in. We didn't know, but I'm saying you how you can go. So you can go in like that and you can get the darshan. Otherwise these people just take money. They just make money, but it is fine. This is the view. Hangeta? Chaleta. Chaleta. Uppa. It took exact 1 hour for us to go in, take darshan, have breakfast and come out.